Hello students, continue with our subject business mathematics. Now we are going to learn another method of geometric progressions. In this method we are finding a number of terms. Here which term means we can find a term number here, means n find કરવાનો છે. The series of GP is 1 root 2 2 multiplied root 2 is 128. Now we find the term. How many term of series is 128? Here a means a first term a, r means a second term root 2 upon 1 means root 2, and here Tn is given 128 but the n is not given. Now starting from our formula ar n minus 1, here term is 128 is given, a means 1, here r means root 2, n minus 1. Now see the students, 1 multiplied root 2 n minus 1 means 128 root 2 n minus 1. Here students, a 2 is how many power is 128? Then we write 2 power 7 is 128. Now we convert it into root, then power is double of 2. Here root 2 square 7 means root 2 n minus 1. See the students, here we added a root 2, then power is double of particular terms, then we write root 2 power 14 is equal to root 2 n minus 1. Here base of both sides root 2 is same, then we write n minus 1 is equal to 14, n is equal to 1 is sign change, here minus is given, opposite side plus 1 is equal to 15. Here the term number 15 is 128. Same as students, another sum we are going to find how many terms of this series is 729 upon 2. A means minus 1 upon 2. R means second term 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now see the students, 3 upon 2, here denominator convert into numerator 2 upon 1. Here 2 part, here minus multiplied with 3 is equal to answer minus 3. Now Tn is equal to ar n minus 1. Here term is given 729 upon 2 is equal to a means minus 1 upon 2 into minus 3 power n minus 1. Now 729 upon 2, here multiplied side change minus 2 upon 1 is equal to minus 3 n minus 1. Here 2 and 2 is cut, minus 729 is equal to minus 3 n minus 1. here minus sign and here also minus sign. 729 is equal to 3 n minus 1. Now the student, 729 converted into power, here 3 power 6 is equal to 3n minus 1. Now both base are same, here 3 and here 3 are same, then n minus 1 is equal to 6. n is equal to 6. Sign change, side change. Now n is equal to 7. See the students, very important sum for you for geometric progression.